Hey guys, look what came in the mail today. This is the Chase Freedom Flex card, the most recent offering from Chase's range of credit cards. So as always, we'll do a good old-fashioned unboxing and review of this card. So let's dive right into it. All right. So first things first, your guide to benefits, Chase Freedom Flex World Elite MasterCard. This goes into details over what is offered by the card, the benefits and everything else. Guys, we will take a better look at this when we move to the review portion of this video. But what I suggest you guys do is always keep this as a documentation in case you're using any of the insurance or any of the other coverages that come with these credit cards, and you are having an issue disputing something. This hard copy would really come in handy if you have to contest something, what is covered and what isn't covered through your credit card. Okay, moving on. This is welcome to Chase Freedom Flex. Your rewards program agreement is inside. Always earning. So this is the rewards program details. 5%, 3%, 1%. Cashback, gift cards. Once again, guys, we will take a look at these things when we move to the review portion of this video. Just want to show you guys what comes in the mail. Welcome to Chase Freedom Flex, your card member agreement. I'm not going to go into a lot of details, more legal talk, so to speak, but you know that you do have a hard copy of your card member agreement. Once again, guys, I always keep these hard copies for every single credit card that I apply for, and I recommend you guys do the same. What does Chase do with your personal information? Reasons, yeah, it just talks about how Chase uses or shares your personal information. You could read this in your own time if you're interested. This is a continuation of the card member agreement, rates and fees. And here, the important part is 0% APR for the first 15 months. After that, 20.74%. Wow. So that's why we never recommend that you carry a balance on your credit cards. All right, finally, we move to the card itself. And before we reveal the card, guys, I will leave an affiliate link to apply for this card in the description below. You will still get the sign-up bonus if you use that link, but it would also help you guys support the channel. With that being said, let's dive right into it. All right, guys, so here is the Chase Freedom Flex card. 5% cash back in bonus categories, 5% back on travel, 3% on cash back on dining and restaurants, and 1% on everything else. I'm not going to go through everything that's written here. You can pause this video and read it if you're interested. But this is an unboxing, so let's take a better look at the card. All right. So guys, obviously I had to cover up the name, the expiry, and the credit card number itself because all that is in the front of the card. But overall, it looks very, very ordinary. This is no different from the rest of the Freedom cards. But what I'll do is I'll put those cards right beside the Freedom Flex card so you can see exactly how this compares. Alright guys, so here we've got the Chase Freedom Unlimited, the Chase Freedom, and the Chase Freedom Flex. As you can see, they are very similar in terms of looks and weight. When I look at the weight of these cards and the flexibility of these cards, they are extremely similar. Yep, light, flexible. Well, we expect the Freedom Flex to be flexible because it's in the name, right? But yeah, even weight-wise, quality-wise, it is exactly the same. I cannot tell any difference whatsoever. Whereas if you say, look at the Chase Sapphire Reserve, which is their premium card, you cannot flex that. Like, even if you're not looking and you're just feeling this card, you will be able to tell the difference. Like, look at how much this flexes and this barely flexes at all. Also in the weight, not too much of a difference, but still you will be able to tell the difference. Granted, this is a $450 annual fee card, so this is expected. So, but what I do want to show you guys is the US Bank Altitude Go card. This is also a no annual fee card, but the quality is so good. The quality is so good that you could barely flex it. And also the print and everything, when you compare it, I don't know if you could see it in the camera, but the US Bank card is far superior in terms of weight, in terms of how much it bends, and also the quality of the print. US Bank has really outdone themselves in terms of the quality of the card when it comes to the competition. This is still the best looking, the best feeling, the most premium quality no annual fee card I have seen. If you guys have a better no annual fee card in terms of quality and feel, let me know in the comments below, but at least I haven't come across that. I did a separate unboxing and review of the US Bank Altitude Go card. You can find it in my channel. I'll try to link that in the iCard here so you guys can check it out if you're interested. But yeah, US Bank Altitude Go card is still the best feeling no annual fee card in my opinion. But the Flex card isn't bad. I mean, the reason I'm saying this, right, it doesn't matter too much to me because these are all no annual fee cards, right? So we know the quality won't be that high, but if US Bank can give you a card of this quality for no annual fee, Chase should be able to do that too. That's my logic behind it. But I know to a lot of people it matters how the card looks and feels, so that's why I try to cover this in as much detail as possible. So if that's what matters to you, you could make a conscious decision. But other than that, so here you've got all the Chase Freedom cards. So you could basically see Freedom Flex, Freedom Unlimited. So if you have any one of the other cards, like the Freedom or the Freedom Unlimited, this should be no different, feels and looks pretty much the same as the other two.
Alright guys, so let's move on to the review portion of the video. Before we get started, I just want to mention that I will leave the affiliate link to apply for this card in the description below. If you're interested, feel free to check it out. You will get still the sign-up bonus that's mentioned here, but we would get a little bit of a kickback, so that helps support the channel. Alright, so diving right into it. Introducing the Chase Freedom Flex. So this is Chase's latest offering as far as the Freedom family of card is concerned, and they released it this year, and we're here in the landing page for the card, and they mentioned in big block letters, earn a $200 bonus after you spend $500 on purchases in the first 3 months of account opening. So $500 in 3 months, it's really doable for most people, even for students who don't have a lot of spend. I think it's very easy to spend that kind of money. So that's what makes it a very good beginner or starter card. Earn 5% cash back on grocery store purchases, not including Target or Walmart, on up to $12,000 spent in the first year. So guys, this is something I always mention in my videos because a lot of these cards do not include Target or Walmart as grocery stores. That's not how they get coded as when you spend that money at Target or Walmart. Now, there are exceptions. There is a Walmart in my area which does get coded as groceries. So there are exceptions to this statement. So just make sure that if you plan on spending money with this card at Walmart, it would get coded as that. And another thing they mention is that this product is available to you if you do not have this card and have not received a new card member bonus for this card in the past 24 months. So guys, this is just legal talk. This card came out like a few months ago, so I don't think anybody had this card 24 months ago. Finally, they mentioned the APR, 0% APR for 15 months from account opening for purchases. After that, it would change. But we always say to pay off your credit cards every month so you don't have to pay an interest. But I do understand everyone's situation is different. So if you do have to carry a balance, at least you know that you'll be paying 0% intro APR. So activate quarterly, 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in combined purchases in bonus categories each quarter you activate. So this is just like the Chase Freedom Card, which you can no longer apply for. So the Freedom Flex is supposed to replace the Chase Freedom Card. So that had rotating 5% categories. So just like that, plain and simple. Also, 5% on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Not a lot of people are traveling right now, I understand, but keep in mind that we will come out of the current situation that the whole world is going through, and people will go back to their normal lives and start traveling. So this is very valuable if you ask me in terms of earning 5% cash back when you book for travel for a no annual fee card. Keep that in mind. 3% on dining and restaurants, including takeout and eligible delivery services. So that includes Uber Eats, DashPass, etc. Not just dining. As you can understand, a lot of people are ordering in and ordering delivery services when it comes to food. 3% on drugstore purchases, pretty self-explanatory, and 1% on everything else. Now, I also want to check out what the 5% cashback calendar is. So we are currently in Q4 of 2020, and this quarter's 5% category is Walmart and PayPal. So qualifying purchases made at Walmart using PayPal only earn a total of 5%. So you have to spend money at Walmart using PayPal to get the 5% bonus in this quarter. So let's take a look at some of the other benefits and perks they have. Dining in or heading out, get more rewards. So DoorDash, thousands of restaurants, 0 delivery free. Get a complimentary 3-month Dash Pass. DoorDash's subscription service, which provides unlimited deliveries for a $0 fee on eligible orders over $12 on DoorDash and Caviar. After that, you are automatically enrolled in Dash Pass at 50% off for the next 9 months. So guys, I do have DoorDash and I use that with my Chase Sapphire Reserve because that has complimentary Dash Pass. But just to let you know, yes, I do have that, but that's through the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Also, if you plan on no longer keeping DoorDash after the starting 3 months, just make sure you have a reminder on your phone so you can cancel it before the charges on your account hit. And I think it's very easy to go over $12 when you order via DoorDash. Then moving on, it says Lyft, earn 5% cash back on Lyft rides. So Pretty straightforward. Earn 5% total cash back on Lyft rides with your Freedom Flex card through March 2022. So we do have plenty of time left before this offer expires. That's 4% cash back in addition to the 1% cash back you already earn. And they also have some protection. Let's take a look at that. Freedom Flex comes with built-in protection benefits and tools that give you peace of mind. Cell phone protection, which once again, I think it's a great thing for a 0 annual fee card, guys. Usually these things, the kind of coverage and bonus and perks that they're giving, usually you don't see that too much on 0 annual fee cards. So, cell phone protection, get up to $800 per claim and $1,000 per year in cell phone protection against covered theft or damage for phones listed on your monthly cell phone bill when you pay it with your eligible credit card. Maximum of 2 claims in a 12-month period with a $50 deductible per claim. So guys, if you are having to put in more than 2 claims in 1 year, maybe, we have to be more careful. And $50 deductible for up to $800, I think it's very reasonable. It's close to nothing if you take into consideration the cost of the phone. Purchase protection covers your new purchases for 120 days, which is about 4 months, against damage or theft, up to $500 per claim and $50,000 per account. So pretty self-explanatory. 0 liability protection, you won't be held responsible for unauthorized charges made on your card, which most credit cards have these days. Extended warranty protection extends the time period of the US manufacturer's warranty by an additional year, or eligible warranties of 3 years or less. 24/7 fraud monitoring, safeguard your account using real-time monitoring for possible signs of fraudulent activity. It's pretty standard. Free credit score and identity restoration services. Once again, pretty standard on most credit cards. Then we move on to auto rental and damage waiver. Decline the rental company's collision insurance and charge the entire rental cost to your card. Coverage is provided for theft and collision damage for most cars in the US and abroad. In the US, coverage is secondary to your personal insurance, so pretty standard. If you're not familiar with that, so basically when you go to rent a car, say from Hertz or any other rental company, they usually ask you to take insurance from them, which does have an elevated pricing. But you don't need to do that. First of all, if your car insurance, the one you already have, is there, that should be fine. If that is not covered through your current car insurance, say you don't have the coverage if you rent a car, then this credit card would kind of fill in the blanks of the coverage. Trip cancellation and interruption insurance, you can be reimbursed up to $1,500 per person and $6,000 per trip for your prepaid, non-refundable passenger fares if your trip is canceled or cut short by sickness, severe weather, and other covered situations. So once again, guys, this is near the end of 2020, given the current state of the world and the time that we're living in. I think this is a great coverage to have. Finally, you've got travel and emergency assistance services. If you run into a problem away from home, call the benefit administrator for legal and medical referrals or other travel and emergency assistance. So guys, for a 0 annual fee card, I say this over and over again because usually you don't see so much useful benefit from no annual fee card. So that's why I'm so impressed by this. Also, $200 of sign-up bonus for $500 worth of spend. We do see it from time to time, but I don't see it going any higher. And I also think since this is the year they released it, it's available now, but I think it may go away soon. What I've seen happen a lot is a $150 sign-up bonus for $500 of spend. $200 bonus for $500 spend is quite rare. Finally, they tell you sign in to apply faster and apply as a guest. But once again, guys, I will leave the referral link in the description below if you want to support the channel. You will still get your sign up bonus, but we get a little kickback and help support the channel. So guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to leave that in the comment section below and I'll get back to you guys. And if you like contents like this, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel. I do have a lot of videos on Chase products and other credit cards. I think you'll find it very useful. So that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.